Hello everyone! Welcome back to our home video cooking tutorial. Today's video is we are going to make our homemade caramel custard cake. First is we are going to remove the crust of the sandwich. To create our breadcrumbs, we are going to use a blender. In the mixing bowl, we are going to mix the evaporated milk, 2 whole eggs, four egg yolks, condensed milk. After that, we are going to put our breadcrumbs, little by little, and mix it well to avoid lumpy mixture. After that, we are going to pour the mixture on the heating pan and cook it on a low heat for about 5 minutes. Next is we are going to caramelize our brown sugar. When it's already caramelized, we are going to carefully pour it on our baking pan. Then carefully pour our first mixture. When it's done, cover it with a tin foil. Then steam it for about 45 minutes. And now, here is our homemade caramel custard cake, no oven. Thank you so much for watching.